Happy Thanksgiving to AWS clients and friends. This is our November video update. Unfortunately, because of the shutdown of the government, there's not a lot of data available to the economists. So that a lot of those reports just didn't get done in October. They'll get cranked back up now that the government is opening back up. There was a second rate cut in November. The Fed dropped the rates by 25 basis points. They anticipate, or the public anticipates, another cut of about 25 basis points in December. Powell continues to worry about inflation and tariffs. Inflation has just continued to be sticky, and that is continuing to be a concern of the Fed. They're also worried about the labor markets, especially due to deportation and AI. Amazon anticipates about 20,000 in job cuts this year, and they've already done about 14. A lot of economists think there's going to be approximately 15 million cuts over the next 5 years simply due to AI and the advances of AI. A lot of youth are actually going back and looking for blue-collar jobs, because a lot of the jobs that are being eliminated by AI are jobs that those youth and high school and college-age kids were using. Inflation typically takes about 3 years to actually be stabilized, so that may be a battle that we fight for a little bit longer.
Even with all of this information that Jay just discussed, most economists still don't see a recession within the next 6 to 12 months. The Magnificent Seven have still driving the market like they have been over the past few years. Currently, right now, with the S&P 500, 320 of those companies are down. Like I said again, those Magnificent Seven have really been driving that market because it's still overall up for the year. You've probably noticed in your portfolios that there's more cash than we typically hold, and that's mainly because we took a lot of our profits off of some of our stocks and sold them, and we're just holding cash because we're looking for buys. We don't see any great buys currently now, but hoping in the next dip that we will start potentially buying once we find some good finds from there. One thing that is an interesting fact for the month of November is one of the best trading days is actually Black Friday, and one of the worst trading days is actually Cyber Monday. So that's all we have for the month of November's update. We do have our pie pickup days coming, as well as our Christmas poinsettia pickup days. I know Amelia's already sent out the invitations for the pies, and the Christmas poinsettia invitation should be going out shortly for those pickups. Other than that, we hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving, and we will see you guys in December.